Welcome friends, this is the second lecture of this course, and today we will learn about Fibonacci series. So at first, what is Fibonacci series? You should have a knowledge of Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series is such type of sequence in which every next term is a sum of previous two terms. Okay, so here Fibonacci series is 0, 1, 1, 2. Okay, because 0 plus 1 it gives you 1, 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and 2 plus 3 equals to 2 plus 1 equals to 3, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, 8 plus 5 equals to 13, and 13 plus 8 equals to 21, 21 plus 13 is equals to 4 and 3, that is 34. Okay, and so on. Here this is your Fibonacci series. So how to print? So our question is, print a Fibonacci series up to n. Okay, up to n. So at first I have taken just gedit.fibonacci.c, as already you have seen that. Let's get start. H include stereo dot h int main void should be small, int main void. Okay, first take two variables. First one is your f0, the first term of your Fibonacci sequence. Already you have seen that here f0 is equal to 0, and f1 is your next term, that is your 1, and f, I have also taken a variable f. What is f? F is a variable which is the next variable, because you can say that also here f equal to, f is the next term, so f is equal to f of 0 plus of f of 1, so it gives you the next value of a sequence. Okay, also take a integer n, because I'm asking from the users printf enter the value, enter the number. Okay, already scanf percentage scanf percentage address of n, okay. And now just take a for loop, because we will, okay, here is a hotspot login, but I don't want to log in the hotspot. Okay, so since we will print the sequence of Fibonacci series, so we should take a for loop, because without any loop I cannot print a sequence. So just like first you can say that here printf your Fibonacci sequence. So what is a Fibonacci sequence? Okay, as you can learn. Okay, Fibonacci sequence. Now run a for loop for int I. Here I have written here int I equal to 0. If you are using a dev C++, so don't write int I, only write I equal to 0 or I equal to something 1. So here I am starting from 1, the first term. So it's not supported in C, it's all supported in the C99, the int I. So if you are using dev C++, you should have to prefer, I prefer you to take the variable I into before f0 after n, that is inside the print pin void function. Okay, otherwise you can take a inside also. You can declare the value inside the for loop. So for loop int I is equal to 0, I is less than equal to n, I plus plus. So this is your for loop, and here we go. You should have print the value of t1 because okay, printf your the first term, that is your value of printf percent d space, here you print the value of f of 0. Okay, and now our next term, that is our f. F is a sum of previously two terms, so f is equal to what should we have? So f is equal to f of 0 plus of f of 1. So here you sum the next term, because here you got the next term because f0 plus f1 gives you f. Now the value of new value of f0 equal to f1, because every times f0 is nothing but the previously two terms. Okay, the previously first term is f1 and the second last term is f0. If we're talking about from f, so f0 should be f1, because here if you're talking about 1, for 1, the second one, the 0 is here the f0 and 1 is f1. For 2, f1 is equal to 1 and f0 also equal to 1. For 3, f1 is equal to 2 and f0 is equal to 1. So every time f0 f1 changes, so f0 equal to f1. Now your f1 is equal to f. Okay, control z. Okay, and here you write. Now compile it. This is the Fibonacci.c. Okay, let's get compile. Here comes an error. Okay, let's edit Fibonacci.c. Okay. Let's start. Control this is Fibonacci.c dot slash a dot out. So enter any number just like 4. Your fourth sequence of Fibonacci sequence is 0 1 1 2. Okay, just like enter any number. So let's get run it again. Dot slash a dot out dot slash a dot out. Okay, so enter any number just like 15. So your Fibonacci is up to 15 terms is 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 3 4 5 5 89 1 4 4 2 3 3 3 7 7, and here you go dot slash a dot out, just like 9. Already I have taken 9. So this is your Fibonacci sequence up to n term. So from this video to another video, and in the next representation we will learn how to print a prime number, or how to firstly we learn how to check a prime number. A number is a prime or not, and also we will learn how to print a series of a prime number. So if you have a better knowledge of these basic things, then you will do the complex program. So thank you.